Well, he better make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and this exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, school them. And in every sense of the word, Chronicler has just put lyrical dominance and display in a this present lyrical confrontation. Viewers and subscribers, if you can listen to the outro for school them, you will notice that one, maybe this is the final response track for Chamiel, aka dancehall Chamiel, from Chronicler, viewers and subscribers. Because I'm saying tell Chamiel to talk facts. And you know what I mean? Take lyrical confrontation to a new stage. But him say him come back with the same fictional topic. Feel like them tough because them buy one shoes and can't take off the running board. Them can't take off the running board, viewers and subscribers. Them still leave them on the side and I wonder how you push them up and slide back the back at the same time. For take off, them no know. Enough of them never see it pull long it. Chronicler say we pull it down and fit it up as we roll. Now, viewers and subscribers, one thing we can say, flawless victory. Clearly, flawless victory. Out of every member of the MVP though, Chamiel is clearly one of the better opponents. Him write him own music. Him just not write a good song, but him write him own music. Chronicler approves that we not just write to own music. We're creative. We have a certain mindset when it forward to lyrical creativity. And for them brain, I don't know, it come like them puzzled viewers and subscribers. Them are run out of things for talk. Them continue to make up fictional stories. And at this point in time, while some people might like the gimmickal lyrics and some things that people know are fiction, hardcore dancehall fans now look forward to hear that. And Chamiel just proves, say, yo, him is just another member of a dancehall group that not really do nothing in a dancehall music. Them not really doing dancehall music. What them like to do is lay claims. Make claims and say, yo, we are this and we are that. While each I use everybody else's fan base. Because the reason right now, Chamiel's song get such a strong response, or people are getting such a vibe. One, is a lyrical confrontation. The dancehall industry love them type of music. Man and woman like them type of settings there. Other than that, Movado fan base, which is also the Alkaline fan base, has now become the Chamiel fan base. Because him core fans them not really support him on that kind of movie. I know that. And how we know him know that? When he have the vibe there with version, him same fans them tell himself stop make them type of song. Them say him nah make no more. Him go focus on him album. But him never link with Mov and Alka at that point. Since him start link with them, I say a bad rat settings, Gucci boot and you know what I mean? As the Chronicler say come like him out and dirty up him clothes. Some meds them a hold, some type of vibe him a pray. Right now we don't even see Vado or Alkaline, even a forward to him yet. Chronicler no need no assistance. So what I go on. They just see lyrics are drop on a confused artist. This is not somebody who needs any assistance. If no need no assistance, recently we see Chamiel put up a post. Him and Vado, and him a say a joke thing. It sound like him ask Vado for your strength and Vado say, no man, do your thing, youth. You can manage this, man. You see this? No, Vado not step in. You're there for your own. You just give up your career. Is that you have to go switch your whole image? Because how you now go back to saying you're the humble youth. Where, you know what I mean? By yourself and on a meds, you not think about a tool or an iron and you think about upliftment. You can't trick me. You can't see them saying title your song chip glock and all kind of things. And then they come tell me say you're a righteous youth. I seek upliftment for the ghetto youths. You can't trick me again. You decide. And you have decided you say a dancehall MVP style you did it. And this is the music group where they're on the outskirts of dancehall music. Them people they even on the main scene. Mov they even live a yard. Movado they even live a yard. Alka when him be a yard, him living him just lucky. We never see him in the streets. Recently we must say yo, Rosalie And I say you run on them side, their theme side. I paint, I see them paint on them picture off my wall. I not hear them big up a place since. I not hear Alkaline big up a place and say my place since. Chamiel is a youth who ever say Spain. Chronicle says Spain and Morrow will like put on plane. Spain know the settings. So for people who ever say, yo, Spain, I will not see up on the lane. Nobody feel like say you can trick the ones in the town. Nobody feel like you can trick. Oi, hombre, you can't trick the man them in the town. People know you might used to pass through when you go say, but all the day is done and nobody not see you recently. If the ones them are continuum, dog them not see in a scheme recently. Yeah? Which them not see you on a rivalry. Some don't know how you gonna call some name or some places you wanna not go. And maybe if you don't even go there, you wanna get this. Recently we see Chronic Law de La Vega City. We see him doing music video at De La Vega City. We see him powered over there on Vice tracks at De La Vega City. When last year Vice a song of Spain. Truth be told, you have to know what you do in the music industry. Certain things are necessary for you to follow up. And if you're not going to follow it up, you have to show a strong conviction. And don't make peer pressure make you call some man's name. The post was made. You might feel that way. Him say you can't go Zion in a frack. But it's a true statement. No man not going to enter Zion in a frack. It's not going to work. So why you take offense to it? Even though, yeah, it was Chronic Law song, the teacher that promote. It alright, but why you choose to take it up and go make mention of the teacher in a year song? And then I say Spain. Ask Spain if I want artist in a dancehall music who them rate the most. The man say Vibes Cartel, even though a governor is an artist from the Spain. And no matter which part of Spain it are the same sentiments. Even though one part of the town the teacher not got the tooth up. No perform them in a party the man over there, but yeah, you know the something go. Them still say teacher same way. The same set is like in a Waterford in one point in time, teacher never go on one side of Waterford. Them still that's a teacher same way. And music. So at the end of the day, you have to be strategic with the name them you call. And you probably call the teacher name hoping say to give the song a little bit more boost. They must say a career suicide. And that they must say you should never mention the name there. And even though it wasn't a name mention, it was more of a line. The hombre they can't save you with their jail a back. So for you say the hombre there, we know where they intact. That's why Chronic Law make sure him say your Spain and Morrow will like put on plane. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. You put out some songs and what I can say is I'm glad to see you drop the track them in a very timely fashion. You know what I mean? I will mean that. That's why I will continue to say that. We're glad to see an artist in a lyrical confrontation with an artist who clearly have more lyrics than him, but him still a holy moon. I put out the song them. Chronic Law say him don't know because you make up too much, you tell too much line in song. We are saying unbelievable. Too much fiction. Too much conviction with your fiction. Because it's almost like you believe the crazy things them we are talking. Chronic Law them feel like them tough to them buy a one tool. Can't take off the running boat. Can't pull it down. Them can't put no oil, machine oil in it. Them don't know. Them never see the spring it. Never see spring. They may say spring in a machine. Them don't know which part them do. Them don't know what the spring them do. Them don't know how wide the top can ratchet. Once spring up the brother, you have to take off a running boat for no. But they not pull it down. Because the glass so we can pull it down and fit it up live in front of the eye. Man, that's how we roll. We know the something. School, we are school them. I picnic them are just face the viewers and subscribers. And the truth that facts of the matter. Definitely facts of the matter. I agree with Chronic Law. While the two of them might be young youth, Chronic Law clearly forward in the dancehall industry and far from the dancehall scene and point out one thing. Say, yo, we are hardcore lyricists. Chamiel never forward out in the industry. I prove that. And that's same as a humble Rasta youth who do good music. All of a sudden, as I said, him saying the frightened for house on the hill. It's like when he get him first house on the hill where him that turn the key in the door. He got to him brain right away and pull out about 6 strand of him locks. And from them time until now, confused individual he is. May I tell you, by the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative viewers and subscribers, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason and you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you as you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right just up on the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know the something with the like icon there too. Drop a like on the blog for me, like where you hear the share icon is located close by. Tell a friend them, tell them sister and them, brother them, anywhere them in the world, check out the channel, check out the vlog, join the reason, the comment section is always open. 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions right there. So, quick recap, viewers and subscribers. School them on the latest response track from Chronic Law, Flawless Victory, and it also sounds like this is the final response track from Chronic Law as well, because Chamiel, dancehall Chamiel continues to tell about a line nine tracks. Nothing real, pure fiction. And you know what I mean? I guess Chronic Law is no bored. You know the settings, viewers and subscribers. Our move settings that we don't need in a lot of fam. And my sentiments for you and yours that we want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.